In this video, I'm going to show you how I got over 1 million impressions in just 30 days without posting manually every day. Sounds crazy, right? I didn't have to post every day spending hours designing or write descriptions. And the results speaks for themselves. This is happening right now. Let me show you the results for the last 30 days. As you can see, over 1 million impressions. Let me refresh the page. I also got over 3,000 outbound clicks this month, which is the most important metrics, the outbound clicks. These are the actual visitors to my site. But how did I get these visitors from Pinterest to my website? Let me break it down for you. Hi, I am Kamis from Easy How To, where I break down complicated tasks into simple steps for you. Let's dive in. And if you love a quick and easy tips, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Let me ask you this question. Have you ever tried growing on Pinterest but nothing seems to work? This has happened to me when I started. You post a few pins, but nothing happens. So you try again and still no traction. And if you stop pinning for a few days, guess what? Pinterest forgets you exist. The truth is Pinterest rewards consistency. You need to post fresh engaging pins every single day just to stay relevant. Think of it like going to the gym. You can't just show up once and expect to be in great shape. Pinterest like the same way. So it requires hours and hours of time. But let's be real, who has time for that? Creating pins, writing descriptions, scheduling every day. That's hours of work just to stay relevant. Let me tell you, I don't have all that time because I have a lot of things to do. For example, creating these YouTube videos, writing blog posts, managing my websites. What about you? Do you have plenty of free time? Or like me, you have a long to-do list, studying, running business, or just managing everyday life? I knew I couldn't keep up. I needed a better way, something that would let me grow on Pinterest without spending hours every day. Let me share with you the mistake I made. At first I thought maybe I should hire someone to do this for me. So I paid $350 for Pinterest Manager, hoping they handle everything for me. But here's what happened. They didn't have the experience. They used generic templates and didn't match my brand. They still needed me to review, edit, and approve everything. So instead of saving time, I was still managing the whole thing. I was spending money and time, but I didn't get the results. That's when I knew I needed automation. So I discovered PinGenerator and it's changed everything for me. Instead of spending hours creating and posting pins, this tool did everything. And automatically. It pulled image directly from my blog post. It wrote Pinterest friendly description and scheduled my pins without me lifting a finger. It's like having a Pinterest assistant who works 24/7 without needing coffee break. And that's how I went from struggling on Pinterest to getting over 1 million impressions in just 30 days. And just to be clear, this didn't happen overnight. It took months to perfect, but now I am giving you the exact steps to make it work for you. Look, it's not about using a tool like PinGenerator. The real secret to millions of website visitors is proven strategy. And trust me, once you understand it, everything changes. Let me know in the comments if you are interested, and I will create full series where I share all my secrets. By the way, I have other websites that have tons of visitors using this method. In the next video, I will walk you through everything step by step. How to connect PinGenerator, how to automate pin creation, how to get the best result even if you are just starting out. If you are serious about growing on Pinterest, don't miss this tutorial. Check out PinGenerator now, the link in the video description. Let's dive in and set this up together. I will show you exactly how to do it. Watch this video.